What is up, guys? This is BC Gaming here. How y'all doing today? I'm doing pretty good here today. Gonna be doing a quick how-to video on how to turn your image into a PNG, which you can use to use in banners in Going Medieval or any game that requires a PNG file for your custom stuff, or if you just need a file cropped and turned to a PNG file for something like a profile picture. But yeah, we're gonna try to do that. Last video, talked about how you different pictures for Going Medieval, and I had mentioned anime girl. So that's what we're gonna do. I found a picture that was pretty good, I think. Right here. So we're gonna open this layers. I'm using GIMP, by the way. Yeah. I'm poor, so I can't afford Adobe Premiere or Photoshop. So bear with me. Let's see where am I at here. New volume, blah blah blah. Let's pull it out. Okay. Now, when this game's Going Medieval, you either want you might want a flag or something cool. So I went with both. This is America. Where's it at? There it is. Open. Okay. Now it's already pretty small as. Oh great! We gotta crop it anyways. That's fine. So let's keep it rectangle. No, let's do oval. We'll do this right here, and this should work right here. How's that gonna work? No. Let's first crop it. Is that gonna work? I mean, no, that ain't gonna work. No. Let's just do this. Let's crop it. Oh no. Come here. Oh, please stop. I hate this thing. Come on now. Work with me here. Okay, we got the height just about right. We go sideways. This works. Okay, that should be good enough. Get that bottom part cut out. I will leave the link to these this photo in the description below to credit the artist wherever it came from. So we're going to do this. All right, now what we gotta do is here we're gonna right click, go into edit, go to copy, file, new. Okay. Now background. Wonder if we do this. I'm gonna exit out of this. Discard change. Let's go back in the GIMP. Might find a better way to doing this. Edit. Edit. Paste. Okay, I have to restart this whole thing all over again. One second, guys. Okay, let's try this. Okay, now what we gotta do is here we go to right click on this layer. New layer from visible. That now it's its own layer, I believe. New layer. Oh, I'm sorry, guys, I got that wrong. New layer. Now it's its own layer. Now we can actually delete this layer. Boom. Now it's a PNG file. Now we're going to file, export as anime girl or Going Medieval .png. Make sure it should come a PNG because it has that transparent background now. So save it where I want to save it at. Let's just save it under pictures. Yeah. Here we go. Export quality all the way up. Now let's finish. All right, now we should be able to go into Going Medieval. Where you at? Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I forgot to freaking move the file. Okay, pictures. Where you at? There you are. Copy you. Let's do the whole thing again here. All right, here we are. Now we're gonna paste it in here. There we go. Exit. Now we're gonna open up the game. And let's see how this works. I haven't tried this with the rectangular picture before, so we'll see how this goes. New game. Now, like I said, this is for anything. I'm just using this game as an example. I know this is needed. Say for example, if I wanted to do posters in 2-Point Hospital, I can use this exact file. Next. Oh, back. Edit. Okay. Can I crop this at all? Custom. I mean, it looks okay. I wish there was a way to actually, like, I don't know, pattern, background, and change the background of it, you know. I wonder why it shrinks it like that. Yeah, that's how it's gonna look. I mean, that's how all of the all your banners will look, just like that. Which isn't it still ain't that bad. I mean, it's all right. It's kind of squished. This is something we have to come up with this game. You have to play around with cropping and figure out, you know, what's the size you need to go with and all that kind of stuff. But here, hey, for this game, you got just a flag, and I mean, you know, your younger guys out there will probably think this is fun to do. But, anyways, kind of a weird one. Finish. Back. Quit. Yeah, you can probably play around with the scale tool to make it smaller, so that way when it comes to actually putting in there, it might actually come out a little better. Might make it smaller for sure, and it'll probably come out a little bit better. By the way, guys, if you liked the video, make sure you give that like button a squish. You can go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Go ahead and hit the notification bell for future videos, and y'all have an awesome day.